What is a matter of life and death for the average human being is a matter of profit or more profit for the big multinational companies and of course their inevitable CEOs. When the American pharmaceutical giant Pfizer Inc. and their German partner BioNTech announced on Monday, November 9, 2020 that their COVID-19 vaccine was highly effective, global stocks soared. Pfizer's shares rose 7%. And does it look in any way unexpected, odd, or strange? Of course not. Over 90% of the human population was delighted by the news, until we noted a darkness at the end of the tunnel. Pfizer's CEO Albert Bourla sold 62% of his stock the same day as the vaccine was announced, making use of the company's all-time high stocks. Let's dive deep into the rabbit hole. Pfizer wrote out a tried and tested response. The sale of these shares is part of Bourla's financial planning and a pre-established 10b-5-1 plan, which allows, under Security and Exchange Commission rules, major shareholders and insiders of exchange-listed corporations to trade a predetermined number of shares at a predetermined time. What does this so-called 10b-5-1 plan mean? Executives usually cannot trade their company's stock outside the short window that follows quarterly results. However, many corporate executives use 10b-5-1 plans to avoid accusations of insider trading, and it allows company insiders to set up a predetermined plan to sell company stocks in accordance with insider trading laws. The price, amount, and sales dates must be specified in advance and determined by a formula or metrics. So, what did the Pfizer CEO actually do? The timing of the trade was locked in, but the announcement of the good news wasn't. Could Pfizer control the timing of the announcement? Of course. If Pfizer's news had come on Tuesday and Bourla's sale was programmed for Monday, the sale would have executed at a lower level. Assuming the stock was flat on the day, Bourla would have raised only $4.8 million rather than almost $5.6 million. But what if these insider games are not the real problem? What if we're witnessing the nicest example of total impudence in 2020? In a year when our reality was modified by an immeasurable degree, when almost every country and individual in the world, rich or poor, donated a lot of money to be part of the global response to COVID-19 and to assist the manufacturing of an effective vaccine, you decide to play the stock market and make profit behind everyone's back. For illustration, as of September 11, 2020, the COVID-19 Solidarity Response Fund has raised or committed more than $237 million from more than 651,000 individuals or companies over the globe. Contributions to the World Health Organization reach more than $1.65 billion this month. Afghanistan, Chad, Central African Republic, Cameroon, Côte d'Ivoire, and much more poor countries in which the citizens live with less than $2 a day, decided to take from their taxpayers and give millions for developing a vaccine only for someone like Pfizer CEO to make money from it. This can't be called an impudence. This is devil's greed. Furthermore, we found an article which explains why the medical aid organization Doctors Without Borders refused a donation of 1 million vaccine doses from the pharmaceutical corporation Pfizer in 2016 because of the high prices for the other vaccines from this company. Pfizer's revenue from the vaccines 1 year before that, 2015, was more than $6 billion. And we were donating money to companies like this. We were hoping that companies like this will help us get our life back to normal. At the end, question that almost nobody asked. Why would someone make tricks like this if the vaccine is really so effective and will help the humanity eradicate the COVID-19? If that's the case, Pfizer's stocks will soar not by 10 or 50 or even 100%, but by more than 1000% by the next year. So why would someone sell his stocks now, at this particular time? In a world where some facts are far stranger than the fiction, we will be here for the facts again, as soon as we are provided new information about this topic. So please make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel, because this is a place where the honesty has no boundaries. Share the truth, please.